The future of space exploration just took a wild turn. From Mars internet to nuclear fusion rockets, these mind-blowing technologies are rewriting everything we know about the cosmos. Which one shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab is about to change space exploration forever. They're building the internet for Mars, a massive network of satellites that will keep rovers, astronauts, and mission control connected in real time. No more communication blackouts or data delays. Using their powerful Photon spacecraft, Rocket Lab is creating a system capable of high-definition video streaming and instant data relay across millions of miles. This breakthrough could make human life on Mars a real possibility sooner than anyone imagined. Atmos Phoenix Capsule. The Atmos Phoenix capsule is rewriting the rules of space reentry. This German-engineered capsule just completed its first orbital test, using a revolutionary inflatable heat shield that acts as both protection and parachute. It can safely bring back up to 100 kilograms of cargo from orbit, like space-grown medicines and biological samples. After its flawless SpaceX launch, the next version will even land independently. Europe's fastest-rising private space company just made safe, low-cost cargo return from orbit a reality. NASA wants commercial partner. NASA just dropped a bombshell. They want commercial partners to build cube-shaped robots for the International Space Station. These floating assistants can navigate tight spaces, carry tools, inspect equipment, and even handle emergencies while astronauts focus on science. Imagine dozens of autonomous robotic cubes buzzing around in zero gravity, making space stations smarter and safer. This move could kickstart a new space economy where private companies help shape the next generation of orbital robotics. Hassle plus EOC. The Hassle plus EOC Mars habitat looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's 100% real. Designed to house future astronauts on the Red Planet, this innovative structure uses modular inflatable units shielded by Martian soil to protect against deadly radiation and extreme temperatures. What's shocking is how it also focuses on mental health with natural lighting, communal spaces, and smart interiors that feel like home. This could be humanity's first real home on another world. Mars sample return. Rocket Lab is shaking up Mars exploration with its game-changing Mars sample return mission. Instead of relying on massive government rockets, they're using their Electron rocket and Photon spacecraft to collect and bring back Martian samples faster and cheaper than ever. This bold approach uses reusable tech and lightweight propulsion to cut costs and mission timelines dramatically. It's a revolutionary step that could make interplanetary science and commercial Mars missions accessible to everyone. Haven 1. Haven 1 is officially making space for everyone. Built by Vast Space, it's the world's first commercial space station, designed for research, manufacturing, and even space tourism. This independent orbital outpost can host 4 astronauts at a time with advanced life support, high-speed communication, and solar-powered systems. Unlike traditional government stations, Haven 1 is fully private, marking humanity's next leap, transforming outer space from a scientific frontier into a thriving commercial destination. Spin launch. Spin launch is rewriting the rules of rocket science by launching spacecraft without rockets. Instead of burning tons of fuel, it uses a giant centrifuge to spin payloads at 5,000 miles per hour before slinging them straight into space. Once high enough, a small engine finishes the job. This insane technology cuts costs, fuel use, and pollution, making space access faster, cheaper, and greener. Spin launch could completely transform how humanity reaches orbit in the future. SuperNexus. The SuperNexus rocket is unlike anything we've ever seen. A nuclear-powered beast that could reach Mars in weeks, not months. Using a nuclear thermal propulsion system, it superheats propellant with a reactor to generate continuous, ultra-efficient thrust. This means more power, less fuel, and far shorter trips to deep space. With NASA and private companies already testing this technology, Super Nexus could mark the beginning of a new era in interplanetary travel. NASA's Big Metal Balls. NASA's latest invention is straight out of science fiction. Massive metal spheres built to explore alien worlds. These big metal balls are ultra-tough probes designed to bounce, roll, and survive brutal impacts on asteroids and moons. Packed with sensors and cameras, they'll collect never-before-seen data on temperature, terrain, and atmosphere. Forget traditional spacecraft. These rolling metal explorers could completely redefine how we study the solar system and uncover the secrets of distant worlds. Parker Solar Probe. NASA's Parker Solar Probe just did the unthinkable. It literally touched the sun. Flying closer than any spacecraft in history, it captured jaw-dropping images from just 3.8 million miles away, where temperatures reach millions of degrees. Traveling at an insane 430,000 miles per hour, Parker revealed never-before-seen details of the sun's corona and magnetic storms that can disrupt Earth's satellites and power grids. This mission isn't just record-breaking. It's rewriting everything we know about our star. Izanya 2. Meet Izanya 2, Europe's most advanced laser tracking station. And it's changing how we protect satellites in orbit. Built in Spain by the German company Digos for the European Space Agency, it fires high-powered laser pulses at space debris and satellites to pinpoint their exact positions. Working with its twin station, it could soon push debris out of orbit using laser momentum. A sci-fi concept turning real. This tech might finally end the threat of space collisions forever. Orbit Space Rider. Europe's Orbit Space Rider is taking reusable spacecraft to a whole new level. This uncrewed orbital lab can stay in space for up to 2 months, carrying 600 kilograms of experiments in medicine, biology, and physics. After completing its mission, it re-enters Earth's atmosphere at 28,800 kilometers per hour, deploys a massive parachute, and lands within just 150 meters of its target. Designed for at least 5 reuses, Space Rider is Europe's bold leap toward affordable, routine access to space. Dassault Reusable Orbital Transport. The Dassault Reusable Orbital Transport is redefining how we travel to space. Designed like a futuristic hybrid between a rocket and an aircraft, this next-gen vehicle can launch vertically, reach orbit, deliver satellites, and then glide back to Earth for a smooth runway landing. Built with ultra-light composite materials and advanced propulsion, it slashes launch costs and enables rapid turnaround missions. This visionary French concept could make fully reusable space travel an everyday reality sooner than we think. X-59 Quiet Supersonic Aircraft. NASA's X-59. Quiet Supersonic Jet is about to bring back faster-than-sound travel without the deafening boom. This sleek, futuristic aircraft uses revolutionary aerodynamics and an ultra-long nose to break up shockwaves, turning the usual sonic boom into a gentle thump. Flying at Mach 1.4 and 55,000 feet, it will test over U.S. cities to prove quiet, supersonic flight is possible. If successful, this could revolutionize air travel and cut flight times in half worldwide. Space Station. Sierra Space and NASA are teaming up to reinvent life in orbit. They're developing expandable space habitats that inflate once in orbit, creating huge living areas for astronauts, all while launching compactly. These next-gen modules feature advanced life support systems that recycle air and water more efficiently than ever. With cutting-edge materials and docking tech, this partnership is paving the way for commercial space stations like Orbital Reef, turning science fiction into tomorrow's orbital reality. From nuclear rockets to Mars habitats, these technologies are rewriting humanity's future among the stars. The next space age has already begun, and it's more mind-blowing than anyone imagined. Which invention amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below.